In this video, you'll learn how to create a successful email using Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully crafted email ready to be sent to your subscribers. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Mailchimp. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp logo along with options to sign in or create an account depending on your current status. Next, if you are not signed in, enter your login credentials in the provided fields. Click the login button. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can start creating your email. Once on the dashboard, look for the Create button, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Create, and from the drop-down menu, select Email. This action will take you to the email creation interface, allowing you to choose between different types of emails. After that, you will see several options for your email type. Click on Regular to create a standard email campaign. The screen will refresh, presenting you with fields to enter your campaign details. At this point, locate the To section. Click on this section to select your audience. A list of your email subscribers will appear. Choose the appropriate audience for your email, then click Save. Next, in the From section, click to edit the sender's name and email address. Ensure that this information reflects who the recipients will recognize. After entering the correct details, click Save to confirm your selections. Now, you need to set your email subject line. Find the subject field and click on it. Type in a compelling subject that will encourage your recipients to open the email. Once finished, click Save to secure your changes. Proceed by selecting the Content tab. This will allow you to design the body of your email. Click on Design Email. You will be prompted to choose a template that suits your message. Browse through the available options and select one that fits your needs. Once you've chosen a template, you can start customizing it. Click on the sections to add your text, images, and links. Make sure your content is engaging and relevant to your audience. When satisfied, click Save to keep your progress. After designing your email, you should review the send time settings. Click on this option to determine when your email will be sent. Choose Send Now or Schedule for a later date. Click Save once you have made your selection. Next, navigate to the final review screen. Click on Send to finalize your email. Mailchimp will present a confirmation message stating the number of recipients and other details. Double check this information carefully. If everything looks correct, confirm the action by clicking Send Now. A message will appear indicating that your email is in the process of being sent. This may take a moment depending on the size of your email list and server speed. Finally, once the email has been successfully sent, you will see a confirmation message stating, "Nice job, your email is sending." This indicates that your email campaign has been initiated and will soon reach your subscribers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.